Rocket Lab won a $266 million suborbital launch contract today. The stock has been cut in half from its 52-week high of $151. We ran a full year of FSR data. Here's what it shows. Rocket Lab designs and manufactures small and medium rockets. Their Electron vehicle handles small satellite launches. Their Neutron rocket, designed for larger payloads, has faced delays. Today's $266 million contract for the U.S. military's HASTE program was described by Stifel as a major validation of the business. The company still runs at a loss. Revenue of $200 million last quarter against a net loss. But contracts like this build the revenue pipeline. 1 year of daily data. FSR Score 51%. Rolling FSR 86%. Price started the year near $47. Climbed steadily to a peak near $151, the 52-week high, then sold off hard back towards $60. The yearly average sits at $70. Price is currently right at that average following today's contract news. Look at the rolling FSR around Windows 193 to 199. It collapsed to 65%, the worst reading of the year. 51% overall FSR on a stock that went 47 to 151 and back to 70 in 1 year. That round trip is exactly what produces a low moderate score. The first half of the year was a structured climb. The second half was a structured decline. When you combine two opposite structured moves of similar size, the overall FSR reflects the disruption between them. Analyst average target is 114.33, well above today's price. Piper Sandler initiated last week at neutral with an $83 target. The $266 million contract is real validation, but the stock is still 54% below its high. Earnings are August 6th. That's the next major data event. We'll run the pre-earnings FSR before August 6th. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Links in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.